Hi guys, welcome back to another video. By the time you're seeing this, it's currently the new year, so happy new year to everyone. Basically, I'm gonna be starting my bulk. I figured I'd show you guys what I'm currently eating at the moment. So I just got home from the gym, we just hit legs. Now I'm about to eat a meal. So I'm about to cook up some potatoes in the air fryer. And then I'm gonna cook some egg sandwiches, so I'll show you guys that. Currently for the bulk, we're gonna be eating 3,000 calories, training 5 to 6 days a week, and then doing some type of cardio for 3 times a week. So probably gonna be some runs, but we'll see. And then I'll show you guys some easy meal prep ideas for have your dinner ready or your lunch if you go to work like me. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna be prepping my meals for tomorrow. Just basically my lunch and my breakfast. And for lunch, or for breakfast, I'm basically gonna be doing my overnight oat recipe, which I've shown on this channel already, so I won't be showing you guys that, but I'm gonna be making some chicken pasta for lunch tomorrow, so yeah, let's get started on that. Alright, so basically I'm just going to be using half of this box of pasta, and then when everything's done, I'm pretty much just going to top it off with some of this pasta sauce. So and that'll be my lunch for tomorrow. Easy meal prep, probably take you like, I mean the longest thing takes is the chicken, 20 minutes in the air fryer, and then let it cool, but pasta takes about 10 minutes to cook, so just gotta wait for the water to boil. But so my lunch for tomorrow is probably like 1,000 to 1,200 calories, and then my breakfast is usually, I think, between 700 and 800, so maybe 2,000 calories before I train, and then I'll just have to worry about my calories at the end of the night. Pretty simple. So as long as you plan ahead of time, you should have no worries about getting your meals in, even if you work a full-time job like me, so there's no excuses, just gotta get it done. Here is the final meal. 2 sandwiches on low-calorie bread, 1 cup of egg whites and 4 whole eggs, and 10 ounces of potatoes in the air fryer. Alright, there you have it guys. 2 easy meals for the next day, breakfast and lunch, or dinner actually if you wanted to. So what's going on guys? Currently the next day, got a package in the mail. Wanted to show you guys what I got. Here it is. As you can see, it's from Academy. But yeah, basically we're gonna need what's in this package for the gym. So let's open it up. Alright, so here's what I got. Basic non-stim pre-workout. Gonna be testing this out for the day. Got watermelon flavor. So let's go ahead and open this up and give it a taste test. Alright, here we go. Taste test. Cheers. Oh my god. First reaction, it's very grainy, but I do taste watermelon, but I don't know if I'm supposed to add more water. Let me see, hold on. It only says to do 1 scoop or 2 scoops, but it doesn't say how much water you need, so yeah, you can Definitely taste all the pump products in here. Citrulline, arginine, and agmatine sulfate, those are the three main ingredients that I look for in a pre, because those are the top three that are gonna give you that pump that you want with your workout. That's probably what I'm tasting, is the arginine, because I used to make my own pre-workouts back in the day when I first started, and whenever I would add arginine to it, it would just dilute the taste of the flavors that I would use, and it would just make it taste fucking horrible. But they did a good job on like trying to keep that flavor, but the taste doesn't matter. Let's see how the pump is. See you at the gym.